the inverse of a matrix. Now that we know a little about matrices, now we'll look at how to calculate the inverse of a 2x2 matrix. Here's your checklist, and that is to find the following given a 2x2 matrix. And we have the determinant, the adjoint, and finally, we'll put those together to get the inverse. All right, let's begin your lesson. Now, the inverse of a matrix A has two parts. The first is the determinant of A, and the second is the adjoint of A. If we had a 2x2 matrix with values A, B, C, and D, then the determinant of A is given by AD minus BC. Let's see an example. So we have the matrix 8, 4, 1, and 2. And to find the determinant, we have to use the formula AD minus BC. So in this case, that is 8 by 2 minus 4 by 1. Now all we need to do is simplify. So we have 8 by 2 is 16, and 4 by 1 is 4. So 16 minus 4 gives us 12. So now we move on to the adjoint. And the adjoint is found by swapping A and D, as in dog, then by switching the signs of B, as in boy, and C. So the adjoint is given by D minus B minus C, A. So let's find the adjoint of the same matrix that we had from before. So just remember that we're using the form D minus B minus C, A. All right, let's fill in those numbers. So we swapped A and D, so we can fill in 2 and 8. Now we just need to switch the signs of C and B, so we end up with minus 1, minus 4. So in the end, we have 2 minus 4 minus 1 and 8. Now to find the inverse, all we need to do is multiply the adjoint by 1 over the determinant. Let's use this to find the inverse of the example that we've been working on. So we know that the determinant is 12, and to find the adjoint, we swapped 8 with 2 and then made 1 and 4 negative. So A inverse is given as 1 over 12 by the matrix 2 minus 4 minus 1, 8. Let's try another example from top to bottom. This time we have the matrix 4, 2, 1, and 1. So the first thing we need to do is to find the determinant of A. So we have that D of A equals AD minus BC. This gives 4 by 1 minus 2 by 1, which is 2. Next, we do the adjoint. So we swap the diagonals 4 and 1, and then we switch the signs of 1 and 2. Now all we have to do is put them together. We get that the inverse is 1 over the determinant times the adjoint. So we have A inverse equals 1/2 of 1 minus 2 minus 1 and 4. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe here if you want to get the latest from the Caribbean Scholar YouTube channel, or if you're ready, you can use the link in the description to hop onto our website and sign up for one of our premium courses.